As drone technology advances, so does the need to protect sensitive areas from unauthorized aerial activity. With PACOM's Unison platform, drone detection can now be monitored and managed in the same interface as your other security systems, from access control and video to intrusion and alarms. Real-time data, automated alerts, and visual tracking give operators complete control, whether securing critical infrastructure, airports, industrial facilities, or public environments. Unison makes it easy to act quickly, gather all information in one system, and strengthen your overall security posture. Drone detection in Unison, delivering a new level of operational awareness.